In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check or review your DNS server settings on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Open that up. Select the view by up in the top right corner and select large icons, and then go down and select Network and Sharing Center. Select whatever your internet connection type is over here on the right. Should have a little hyperlink under it. Go ahead and select it. Select Properties at the bottom of this window. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then parentheses TCP/IPv4, and then select Properties again. And then if you were using a DNS server address, it'd be listed right here. Otherwise, it'd be obtained automatically, meaning you're not using a different server address. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.